In this video, I'll show you how to hide your online status and last seen on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. On the Settings screen, tap Privacy to open your privacy settings. Once you're in the privacy screen, tap on Last Seen and Online to open the settings. Here, under the Last Seen section, select Nobody. This will hide your last seen from everyone. Now move down to the Online section. Here, select Same as Last Seen. Once you choose this option, your online status will also be hidden from everyone. And that's it. This is how you can hide both your online status and your last seen on WhatsApp using an Android phone. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel.